What did I just discover? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and today I have a Turkish dessert or treat, snack, whatever it is, I don't know. Anyways, this Turkish snack, dessert, treat is actually called a baklava. Baklava. I have never tried one of these before and I heard they are very, very good and very, very delicious. So I asked one of my Turkish friends, I said all about this baklava, whatever you call it. I said, is it good? What's it like? Is it nice? He said, next time I see you, I will give you some. He said, this will be the freshest there is. So he knows somebody who makes it or something. I've prepared two on a plate right here to try make it look a little bit presentable for my audience watching this. Take a look at them. They do look pretty cool. They actually remind me of something from the UK called a sausage roll. That's what they look like. But these are supposed to be sweet. Let's see what it's all about. So straight away I can see the green pistachio sprinkled on the top, which looks pretty cool. It looks very vivid. I like those colors there. And yeah, it's quite soft in the middle and it looks like pistachio inside some kind of layer. It looks like, you know how lasagna is layered? It looks like that, but with pastry instead, flaky pastry. So let's try it. Let's see what it's all about. Wow. What did I just discover? I feel like I've just discovered fire for the very first time. Oh my goodness. Wow. It smells so good now. Now that I've taken a bite out of it, it's so soft in the middle. It's so nice. Oh my goodness. What did I just eat? Baklava, whatever you may be. I love you. Oh my goodness. That is out of this world. 4.7, instant 4.7. Absolute amazing. That would go so ideal with a cup of tea or a coffee. Honestly, that combination would be perfect. It's so nice. It's a nice, savory, sweet, but not too sweet kind of dessert. I can imagine that being nice with cream too, you know. I think that would be very nice also. Wow. If you have never tried this, you must try this. This is, I promise you. And if I'm wrong, then that's because you are going to the wrong place. That's it. That's all from me, Maverick Lee. And before you go, don't forget, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other videos for further product reviews just like this.